the Goddess Complex, and I am going to do a small demo using the ultrasonic humidifier by Everlasting Comfort. Okay, I talked about this in Cards and Coffee. I literally manifested this because I needed one for my room, and especially for the winter, and it happened. They reached out to me. Of course, this is my third time working with them, and I've been enjoying every bit of it. So this is the ultrasonic humidifier. This is what it looks like. Also, it has the small gauge function area in the front. And of course, you know, all the water and everything here. But I'm going to show you guys how to smoke clear or steam. Smoke clear your living area, especially your bedroom. When you're breathing and stuff like that. Especially, of course, everyone's dealing with COVID-19 and other different issues by it being cold and flu season on top of that. And then some people just have breathing issues with congestion and stuff like that. They just have certain, you know, sinus issues and things like that. So I'm going to show you a little recipe that we use in my family, and then something I use as well, also on my charcoal burner and also on my oil burner as well. So only thing you're going to need, of course, is a humidifier, and you can get this 20% off, especially during the Black Friday, Cyber Monday weekend, if you use my code Goddess_Complex 777, and you can get your 20% off. And also, of course, I know a lot of sites are doing, you know, $25 and up, you know, free shipping, or it depends on what your membership is, especially on Amazon. So you can purchase this from Amazon. Okay, so if you have Amazon Prime, the shipping is, of course, free. So that'd be great. So 20% off, and then, you know, Amazon Prime. If you got it, it's worth the money. They have the monthly membership now. You don't have to do the whole $100 and something a month, a year. Skip subscription. You can actually do it monthly. But yeah, you even with the shipping, it's not super expensive. So 20% off, Goddess_Complex 777. So I'm gonna show you this right here. So I already have the water set in it instead of wasting time pouring all of it in there. So what you're gonna need, of course, water, and I have it not all the way to the top because you want to save just a little room in a humidifier, just so you got a good I call it good rise area for the steam and everything else. And also you're about to put essential oils in here, so you want to save a little room, just a little bit, even though the essential oils are going to bond with the water, especially as it's formed into steam and everything like that for the humidifier. So it is easy to use, easy to arrange, assemble, and everything. So you have the base. You have the base area with the nozzle, and also it's like really quick, medium, maximum, on, off, and also have the LED function as well. Like I said, it's easy to take apart. So you're going to take this part apart right here, which is this part right here. Take this part, of course, in the white area. You're going to push the button in, and you're going to turn it, and that's how you're going to fill it up with water. Then you're going to put the top back on, and you're going to turn it back in this direction right here. Okay? It's quick, it's easy. It's just easy to clean everything. Also, at the top function, if you can see here, you have two pieces that are, you're able to control the flow of the steam and everything as well at the top. And then you have a base here that actually detaches as well on the top as well. You can clean. It kind of helps the flow of the steam and everything as well. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So I already put water in mine. So this is where you will put your water in to your humidifier. Okay. And then you would take the top off. What I'm going to do, you're going to push in the button here. Push the button in here. And you're going to turn towards you to take the top off. Real simple, real easy, okay? I'm going to put this here so it doesn't fall and there's not water everywhere. Okay, so first thing first, if you have peppermint, any essential oils, whatever you normally like, that's what you should use. If you have some, you don't, you literally can get this for $5 at the dollar store. You can get it at Walmart, probably $5, or probably a bigger bottle actually for $5 or $6, $10. Anywhere, peppermint oil, they have it at the grocery store now. Any type of essential oil used for aromatherapy, just pure essential oils, okay? Don't get the one that's for diffuser only. Don't get that one because that's not actually good to breathe in. So, yeah, especially once it turns into steam, it'll create a different type of bonding chemical, especially when it bonds with water. So you're going to use a couple drops of peppermint oil. I like mine strong, so I'm going to use maybe 10. Like I said, I didn't fill it all the way up with water, maybe 3/4 of the way up. So I like a strong smell with mine. I like peppermint oil. peppermint also is good for protection. I do put this in like some of everything, hair products and everything at this point. Just the water, because it is very stimulating, but also just to breathe, it kind of helps loosen any congestion you have. Also, something I like to use, I'm going to use just 2 drops of tea tree oil. And I do mean 2 because it does not smell good. I like the earthy smell, but this, like, if you like pine soil smell, you would like this. So I'm going to use just 2 drops of tea tree oil. And also that's going to help kill any germs, bacteria in the air, but also spiritually, peppermint oil and things like tea tree oil actually helps to ward off evil energy, especially if you have people sending stuff to you. Okay, so you got that. Also, cedarwood. Cedarwood essential oil, it's the same purposes. It's really good for balancing and grounding. And I'm going to use just a couple drops of this. Like I said, peppermint is going to be my main essential oil I use. So I got that. So cedarwood oil and the Big Papa sage oil. Sage essential oil and peppermint oil, just those 2 alone, I do recommend. But that sage oil is going to help ward off unwanted energies, especially if they're not your own. So you're going to take a couple drops of that, drop that off in there. And I think I'm going to use lavender oil just for the smell and aroma, but that's good for protection stuff as well. So essential oils, just like resins and just like anything else, different herbs and stuff, they in their extracted form, they serve the same purpose, especially lavender, peppermint, of course sage oil. See, this smells so good. It's so strong though. So you have peppermint and lavender you have to be very lenient with. Same thing, tea tree is powerful, but it will, tea tree, and if you don't have tea tree, you can use rosemary essential oil. That one right there will pretty much exorcise any demon you got coming your way. So, but any unwanted energy, especially if you've been around your family this weekend, or will be around your family this weekend, and you just feel like this is too much energy for you sometimes, yeah, put that in an oil burner or a diffuser, and phew, we're going to use a diffuser. So I think this is going to come in handy. Let me put another couple drops of peppermint oil in it. So I just tested it out. It's really nice. I like it. It's really nice. And they manifested it. So thank you, Everlasting Comfort. I thought about it, and literally like a day or so later, they reached out again, and I was like, okay, thank you, Most High. Thank you, Everlasting Comfort. That worked very well. Okay, so you're going to put your top back on. Make sure it's on tight, because the water is going to leak a little bit. It shouldn't leak a whole lot, but it's going to leak a little bit. It just depends. But you got to make sure you kind of heavy hand with it. So you're going to turn it away from you to close it. And you're going to take the top, and you're going to put it back. Okay, you're going to put it back on top right here. And I can smell all the essential oils. If you want to kind of swish it around a little bit, you don't have to, because it's going to do it itself. But I like a surprise, so I don't want to swish it around. So they're going to start bonding with the water. The essential oils are going to bond with each other. So you have to be cautious of the combination and how much. Like I said, peppermint is going to be the more dominant one. Like I said, lavender, perfect, especially if you need help sleeping at night. And you feel like also if you feel like your intuition is blocked. If you feel like you're too stressed, or you're having anxiety issues, especially if you're an empath, you're picking up other people's energy, you need to get you some lavender and some peppermint. It's going to save your life. I learn, honey. I research, I study, I learn. Baby, it's popping, okay? So, we're going to cut it on, right? Alright, so you have the function in the front. You have the function in the front. You guys can see my ring light. And you're going to turn the knob. And we're going to cut it all the way up. And you see, it's coming out of not only just the 2 nozzles here, but it's also going to come out right here as well. So it's a flowered effect. It's really nice. And you can actually sit underneath this, let it run for a minute. So I cut it all the way up on maximum. As you can see, the green light is on. The green light is on. I have it on maximum. And also, okay. Yeah, the LED is on. Okay. There we go. It does come with an LED feature. And then the top, you can change at how much and what rate and what direction you want to blow the air in by simply moving the nozzle up top. Like that. Okay. And that's all. So you're going to sit here, especially if you are meditating in your personal space. You would meditate and kind of inhale the air. And we're going to turn it this way so it can blow towards me. It's not the camera. But you're going to meditate and you're going to face it, of course, more towards you. And it's going to just engulf you with smoke. Also, you can leave this, of course, by your bed. You know, be watchful of it. By your bedside or somewhere in the room, especially if you have a nightstand bed area, put it there and just kind of relax. You can listen to some meditation music. You can listen to just any kind of soothing music. It'll help. I just tried a new frequency. It's the Aura Cleanse frequency. I like it. So that's going to be on the playlist for me this weekend. Also good for self-care. You could actually put a lot of warm water in here as well. I wouldn't do boiling hot water, but like nice kind of warm, mild warm water. You could also use this as a face steamer as well. And you would just sit up under it. Also just for aromatherapy, especially with sound frequencies. Using things like peppermint, but definitely using things like lavender, orange oil. If you have frankincense and myrrh, different you can use different combinations of essential oils, and they will definitely help with a lot of meditative practices to keep you calm and relaxed, or even to recharge you, or even to renew your chakras and different things like that, and just really just for self-care to just kind of relax yourself. So that is it. I love it. And you can smell every essential oil now. So it's working really fast. It's like all over my altar right now, but it smells really good. And like I said, you can move it around your room. Put it in the corner. It's going to blow all the way out. Put it right near you. It's going to blow all the way out. Hopefully it's not fogging up the screen. But yeah. So to smoke clear, you leave this in the room. Pray, meditate within it while it's going, but also, you know, say a couple prayers, some chants, mantras, whatever you like to use, and you would use it that way as well. So I'm going to leave this right here. So honey, that is the ultrasonic humidifier, and as you can see, it steams really quickly, really fast. So I mean, literally, you can smell all the essential oil. So this is perfect, especially for children who have congestion issues or breathing problem, asthma, bronchitis, and different breathing conditions as well. People also who just have like the sniffles right now, this would be perfect for you. I definitely would say use, you can use warmer water. I will use warmer water next time. Like I said, I'm you know, anemic, so I like stuff warm, warm around. So I would do that. Also, it helps to merge the essential oils as well, just a little bit more. So I would use mild, not boiling hot water, but mildly hot water with this next time, and let the steam, especially use it for a facial and stuff like that. So that has been my video. So thank you to Everlasting Comfort for this particularly, you know, manifested product. So this is the ultrasonic humidifier, and it is like literally easy to use, easy to clean. It's perfect. So this is going to be perfect, especially for the winter season that's coming up. Go get you one. It's Black Friday. Enjoy, my loves. Get 20% off. Make sure you're following them on Instagram and also on their other different platforms, but they're really largely here on Instagram. And then also go visit them on Amazon. They have a lot of different other products that I have reviewed, and I'm looking forward to reviewing some more. So thank you, and hopefully this is helping. This can help someone, especially this time of year. People have the sniffles, and then also if you have someone who is suffering from COVID-19, this would be a perfect gift for them, especially just to help cleanse the air and different things like that. If you know someone affected by it, definitely I would say, definitely, you know, make that a pay it forward gift for them, and with some essential oils, and really make a nice gift for them. And it's very soothing and comforting for them. And I feel like it will make somebody happy. But also, you know, it's a nice gift for anybody. But I think just especially those in need, especially babies, and those in need and things of that nature. So thanks for watching, my darlings. And make sure you're catching me on Cards and Coffee over on Instagram. And also have some new videos over on the Goddess Complex, over on Facebook. We have Twitter. And we also have YouTube as well. So thank you, my loves, so much. Thanks for watching.